In the back here, you see this little button. It may be hard to see since it's kind of flush with the device itself and it's white, but it's a button where you see that light right above that light. So all we have to do is just press that button in once. You don't have to hold it or anything like that. So let's go to the monitor now. So besides unplugging it and then plugging it back to power it on, we just press that button once to kind of reboot the device or wake up the device. So we're going to press it again to put it in pair mode. Now whichever remote you have to find which buttons are the pair buttons. It's usually 2 buttons you press at once, or sometimes 1 button you press and hold at once. Alright, so of course we're not going to have the function to control this with our remote, so we're going to use the button again on the back. So I'm finding it, then I'm going to press it in. You see 1 single press toggles through the list if you have multiple options, but I should be able to press and hold to actually select an option. So I press and hold and I just let go and it says pairing. So again, if you have a remote different from the actual factory remote, make sure you put it in a pair mode before you do this. Alright, so we're good to go. If you have any questions, leave me a comment and I got you. That's all I got for you. Much love to each. What's going on here? And every one of you, I'm your downloading pirate, and I'm out.